Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Hope your loved ones are doing great. Today I have created this look. I thought of doing something else but कुछ और ही आ गया, so never mind. But I really like this look. So beautiful coral dewy look. I can see this beautiful danglers from Ever Stylish. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. And do follow me on Instagram. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Starting with moisturizer, I'll be using this Faceshop chia seed moisturizer. This is one of my favorite moisturizer because it really hydrates my skin so well and makes it dewy, juicy at the same time. I really like the moisturizer. It's good for dry, sensitive, not for oily skin, but yeah, it's good for normal to dry skin because it really hydrates your skin so well. And I really like this moisturizer. Even this is perfect for winters, but my skin is super dry, so I need this moisturizer for summer also. For primer, I'll be using this Rimmel Lasting Finish primer. And now for corrector, I'll be using this Sugar Face Forward Peach corrector. This is how it looks like. I'm going to apply very less, dot dot dot, little bit here. And using my damp beauty blender, which is from the drugstore company, and just going to blend. Right now for foundation, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation in the shade Soft Honey. It's pretty yellow as you can see. This is little dark for my skin tone, so I'll be mixing it Glam Glow moisturizer के साथ, and let's see थोड़ा color change होता है तो. And I'll be mixing this also NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator. It's a full coverage foundation, so you have to be very careful while applying this. I still have some foundation, so I'll be using this as my concealer. Now I'll be using a brightening concealer just to highlight my under eye. For that I'll be using this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. It's in the shade CW05. And now we'll set our face, and for that I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade, it's light medium. Do you see the difference on both the sides? This powder gives you a very good coverage. And whatever left on your beauty blender, just blend it all over. Let's just start with the eyeshadow, and for that I'll be using this Trend Beauty Give Me More eyeshadow palette. How beautiful shades they have, and the pigmentation is bomb. Let me just show you. Let's just start using this orange color. I'll be using this green color. Now using this blue color, Now for eyeliner, I'll be using this Colorbar eyeliner. Now using this white kajal from Wet n Wild, just going to apply on my lower lash line. Using this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, I'm going to apply. Moving on to bronzer, I'll be using this Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in the shade What Shady Peaches. So now moving on to blush, I'll be using this Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush in the shade Coral Climax. Beautiful shade. Blending everything all together. I'll be using this NYX Dewy Finish Volume Setting Spray. So now for highlighter, I'll be using this Sugar Contour de Force Face Palette, and I'll be using this color. For lip liner, I'll be using this Miss Clair lip liner glimmer stick lip liner in the shade Orange Vermilion Orange L35. Now for lipstick, I'll be using this Colorbar Way Beyond 109.